Best electrician tool efficiency and comfort. Electricians need a reliable tool belt to keep everything within reach. These belts come in various styles and materials, each offering different features to suit individual needs. Some provide extra padding for comfort during long hours, while others offer multiple compartments for better organization. List number 1. B240 Electrician's Combo with Pro Comfort Back. Introducing the Gatorback B240 Electrician's Combo, designed with comfort and durability in mind. This heavy-duty war belt features Pro Comfort back support, ensuring all-day ease for hard-working electricians. Built to last, its robust construction withstands tough job site conditions. Sized medium, it fits waists 31 to 35 inches snugly, providing a secure and comfortable fit. Ideal for those who need reliable support while keeping tools handy. Experience the perfect blend of functionality and comfort. Advantages. Experience maximum comfort with the Pro Comfort Back Support Belt. Keep tools organized and accessible with multiple pockets and holders. Durable and heavy-duty design ensures long-lasting use on tough jobs. Fits securely and comfortably for waist sizes 31 to 35 inches. Ideal for electricians, offering convenience and efficiency on the go. List number 2. Tools 55298H Electrician's Combo Belt and Pouches. Experience the perfect blend of comfort and functionality with the Klein Tools 55298H Electrician's Combo Belt and Pouches. Designed for electricians, this belt offers a secure fit and ample storage. Its durable material ensures long-lasting use, even in tough conditions. Multiple pouches keep tools organized and within easy reach. Ideal for both professional and DIY projects, enhancing efficiency and convenience. Perfect for those who value quality and practical design. Advantages. Durable construction. The Klein Tools 55298H belt offers long-lasting, sturdy materials. Built to withstand daily wear, it's ideal for electricians. Organized storage. Multiple pouches ensure efficient tool organization. Find tools easily without hassle. Comfortable fit. List number 3. Electrician Tool Belt with Multi-Storage Pouch. Crafted from full-grain leather, this electrician tool belt boasts durability and style. Its multi-storage pouch keeps tools organized and easily accessible. The key clip ensures that important items are always within reach. Designed for heavy-duty use, it suits electricians and construction workers perfectly. Strong Lad's tool belt offers comfort and efficiency, enhancing productivity on the job. Advantages. Full-grain leather ensures outstanding durability and long-lasting use. Tough and reliable. Multi-storage pouch offers easy access to tools. No more searching. Key clip keeps your keys secure and handy. No more misplacing. Designed for comfort, reducing strain during long hours of work. Feels great. List number 4. Back Electrician's Combo Deluxe Package. Experience the ultimate convenience with the Gatorback Electrician's Combo Deluxe Package. This tool belt combo offers ventilated back support for all-day comfort. It includes sturdy suspenders, a handy drill holster, and durable gloves. Designed for medium sizes 3135, it ensures a perfect fit. Enhance your work efficiency with this reliable and comfortable tool belt set. Advantages. Enhanced comfort, the ventilated back support reduces sweating and strain. Superior organization, multiple pockets keep tools within easy reach. Versatile fit, adjustable suspenders accommodate various body sizes comfortably. Durable design, high-quality materials ensure long-lasting performance. Safety first, gloves provide extra grip and protection for hands. List number 5. Tools 55427 Tradesman Pro Electricians. Experience unmatched comfort and durability with the Klein Tools 55427 Tradesman Pro Electricians Padded Tool Belt. This tool belt offers long-lasting wear for demanding jobs. Its medium size ensures a snug fit, keeping tools secure and accessible. Enjoy a practical solution designed specifically for electricians. Advantages: enhanced comfort with padded design for long wear use. Durable materials ensure the belt lasts longer. Convenient storage with multiple tool pouches. Adjustable size for a perfect medium fit. Easy access to tools, increasing efficiency.